What's that, Jay?
We cleaned the real hot rod today.
Santa Fe. Is there a song called Santa Fe or something? Santa Fe?
It's like, this thing's got like 300 horsepower.
Well, probably that's more than this, I bet.
It's ridiculous.
So we got this problem here, guys. You see that hinge? You see those bolts are just ready to come off. And so I bought the springs from Redneck Superstore and the hinges, Monica hinges, from Scott's Super Truck in Penhold. So I've been driving all over the freaking planet. Hey, Jay? And we're going to put the spring on. I just did this one. And I thought we're going to film this one because it is scary as hell. Hey, John? And like Johnny says, commit.
Commit.
And when you commit, you're like, I'm scared that spring's going to come shooting across the house and freaking kill somebody.
Go straight through your window of your new Chevy K10.
Can you imagine? Okay, so how did I go? This way? I think I went that way.
Yeah, you went that way.
Springs have to be, the opening's got to be up. They're down on this one. I don't know if that made a difference. This time I got to go this way. I got a rag in my vise. And I've got, what do you reckon that is? 9-inch Phillips. And that came from a guy on the video on YouTube. And this is how she's done. And it's freaking scary because once this spring goes, and I advise you to use good gloves, maybe a t-shirt, a longer shirt. But that's it, it's on. All right.
2 hinges.
Monica hinges. I'm gonna scratch that a little bit, but that's okay.
All right.
Here's the old ones. And the new ones are in. Got some minor adjustments. This happens when the thing, and then this has got to go down a little bit like that. Substantially better all around. Every way. The hood is fitting. It looks so much better. I mean, it's off a little bit, but you know. 1970, man. This truck is gonna be deadly. Deadly. Wasp hunter. Oh yeah. All right. I take that carb off tonight. That's the plan. Get that 750 up there, get this 600 on. Well, Johnny's moving to Turner Valley. Man, I'm gonna miss my buddy. Derek left. Johnny's leaving. Anyway, I got some toolboxes for Johnny. Some Craftsman's. Look at this beast. Oh my God. Look at that. That is the nicest motorcycle ever made. Starts every time. Runs absolutely beautiful. Beautiful balance. Wow. Anyway, where were we? Oh yeah! Got the carb off. Oh, Johnny boy. How's my wounded soldier?
Season up a little bit.
Oh yeah? Well, what are you doing?
I can't just lay down. It seasons up even more.
Really? Hit the punch bag. Just kick the, don't hang it up. You kick the shit out of it. Don't hurt yourself. Oh.
I can. Woo! What's going on?
Well, I took that carb off. Look at. I am. And Cam the painter said he might come by,
Oh, okay.
and he knows lots about the. Why are you sitting the other one? That's a high back over there.
Looks like it might be too comfy, you know.
Yeah.
That's
Poor Johnny. He's hurt his back. When did it happen? A week back. It happened a week back.
I should know that one by now.
Dad jokes, hey, they're just the worst. Hey, I'm just every double up tool I'm just throwing in your pile here, man. You got a lot of tools here.
Sweet.
Yeah. You gotta organize them and all that shit, but
We're gonna give those a nice deep clean.
yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, and if you back to back them, you can use them as a
Yeah, I don't know what I want to do with them yet.
well, there's on the casters, you've got to figure out the casters because there's two straight and two rollers, two ones that don't roll.
Oh.